Yes. Hi folks, camera rolling. 12th of Feb. Yeah, I'm out in my kiln shed at the minute, and I've got a little wood stove out here which keeps me warm. A couple of little brick things on the top here. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, it's actually not that cold today, and but I've got the door shut and the fire on. So I'm in the process of packing my kiln here. I'm very overdue to have a firing. It's been ages since I fired. So I've got some different decorated ware here. You can see this is all raw. None of this is bisque. Some of this you may have seen me do in different videos, and some small little, these are all sprayed with wood ash, and some sauce boats here. Yeah, a lot of the stuff I've been working on over the winter slowly. So yeah, I've just got to put I think I can get a piece down in there, and then I'm going to put maybe just a few mugs along the front side there. So yeah, join me for that. And let's put the camera here on a tripod like so, and then yeah, so I've got to fill this hole. this big empty hole in my kiln. I've got to fill it. So let's just take, I think it's a good idea, you know, when you've had pots. I've had pots out here for some weeks waiting to fire. Sometimes they do collect dust, so just have a look inside and blow them out. To lower a pot into a tight situation, you can put two fingers on the inside and spread them like that, you see. Now, trying to get a piece down in that hole could be difficult, so first remove the prop. Slide him down till you're happy he's in the right position, and then put the prop back afterwards. Okay? Just a little tip. Just a little tip. Just a little tip. A little tidbit. Yeah. Well. So, yeah. This has got field glaze and wood ash sprayed over. So I'm going to slide him down in there if I can. Like so. One of the nice things about raw firing is that the pots shrink a lot, you see. So you can pretty much put them touching one another and get away with it, if you know what I mean. So grab another one. Okay. To try and lower these carefully without rubbing up against the other pots as you put them in. That's that. Like so. I think I can get another one over there, I think. Or I might actually. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's see what we got. What have we got? I've got some bud vases there in the back. Those on that shelf there. I'm just looking there down that far side, just down there where I'm pointing. There's a bit of a space. I have to be a bit careful down there though, because that bottom shelf gets pretty hot just on that corner. So we could get some bloating occurring through, you know, too much heat. Too much heat. La la la. I think I might put a T-bowl actually down there. It's got a trimmed foot, you see, a T-bowl, so it's not so flat down on the shelf, if you follow me. Reaching over here. Ooh. Yeah, that's actually a bit sticking out a bit there. Yeah, I'm just wondering to myself if that's good. Yeah, we'll stick him there, see what happens. And then I've got a little bud vase here. It's got like an iron slip and then a white glaze over the top. I think I'm gonna be daring, see if I can get him down in that little hole down in there. Ooh. Oh, look at that, he fitted pretty well, didn't he? Okay, that's good. I've got a space just in there, you see? Down below. Let's see if I can find another. When you look at your bud vases or whatever it is you're looking, you'll notice that there might be some that are a little wider than others. So bear that in mind for the spot where you want to put. If you're in a tight situation, you want a narrow one. So we'll take this one. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to fit. Nope. He says no. No go. He is not going to fit. So, have I got anything else? Anything else that could go there? Yeah. Sometimes it's awkward, you just don't have a piece, do you? To put where you want to. So what I'm going to do now is, what you must do when you're packing, for those of you who don't have experience of doing this, you'll notice that the props here, that one and that one and that one, you must make sure that they are higher than the wear. One way to do that is put a ruler across like I'm